Children, please proceed to the auditorium. The auditions for the school show are about to begin. No pushing. You will all be seen.
Keep your hands where I can see them, young man. Good afternoon, children, and welcome, parents. I'm Miss Thorne, and once again, due to my professional experience with the show business, I am to have the honor of directing this year's school show, Pippi in Tahiti, the musical, by Myrna Thorne. Thank you.
To dance my dances, to sing my song, it's all I've wanted, all I've dreamed my whole life long. Though I'm only 8 years old, just a baby, so I'm told. Can I help it? I already know my heart, and I'll do anything to play this part.
Let's begin, shall we? Please welcome a multi-talented third grader, Miss Tina Denmark. Your best 16 bars and off, dear.
The merry-go-round is beginning to slow now. Have I stayed too long at the fair? The music has stopped. And the children must go now. Have I stayed too long at the...
Thank you. Bobby, will you teach her the ballet combination?
Well, I already learned it in the hall.
Jazz.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Interpretive. That was Tina Denmark. Thank you, Tina. And now, please welcome.
Am I so desperate? Well, it's because all I want, no, all I need is your applause. So I pray to him on high, the casting agent in the sky. Cast me! And I'll stay true to my art, and I'll do anything you please. Pound erasers on my knees. I'll do anything to play this part.
Well, I want to thank all of our talented students and some of our not so talented ones. Really, Rachel Hobbs, what on earth were you doing? Well, before I announce the winner, I want to make a special thank you to Mike Lerman and Lerman's Hardware for donating all the paint and wood to build our lovely sets, and for supplying all the patterns and materials to make our gorgeous costumes. A very special thank you goes to Betty Lerman and all the gals down at Betty's Needle Nook. Thank you, Betty. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the star of this year's school show,